Hey guys, it's AnitraNi, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this affordable flawless makeup look while using my sexy DYSTYLEZ lashes. Hey guys, it's your girl AnitraNi, and I'm back at it with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a full makeup tutorial. I'm not going to be talking too much in this video because I just want you to watch to see how I actually do all the steps and how I actually apply my makeup and also my lashes. So just keep watching and let's have a good time. So once you finish applying the contour, you're going to blend. And when I mean blend, you're going to blend very, very well. Making sure that all contoured areas are blended well into your skin. Next, I'm going over with the Unbelievable Brow by L'Oreal. And I'm just securing the brow to make sure that they stay in place because it is a gel base and it will harden, and that's the one thing that I love about it. It doesn't hard too bad, but it hards enough where it stays. So now I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I'm going to be highlighting my contoured areas to make sure that they are glistening and shining. You see the glow that it's giving me. And I just love using this highlighter. Now using my DYSTYLEZ Lashes, you see? So beautiful in a style baguette. I love them, I love them, I love them. Yes, I will be leaving down the link below to shop at DYSTYLEZ.com. Now with using, if you've seen in my recent video before, you'll know how I will be applying my lashes. So once you take the glue from beginning to end of the strip, you're going to pull back your crease and then you're going to slowly apply your lashes along your eyelash line. Then you're going to gently press against your eyelash line, securing and making sure it's in place. Now once that is all said and done, you're going to move on to the next eyelash and repeating with the same steps. You're going to do like so, and once the eyelash is secure, you're good to go. So now I'm going in with my lip pencil in the color Plum. I'm just contouring my lips on the outline, and then I'm going to be using my lipstick that I formulated and is testing. Definitely leave a comment below and let me know if you like the color. So now with the finishing touches, I'm looking to see if any imperfections, and then I'm going to be using my finishing spray to set my face like so. I love it. I could spray this all day. You have no idea. So as I see a little imperfection right by my eye, I'm going to go in and clean it up with a concealer brush. And then once that's done, you have the final look. So guys, this is the finished look. I love the look. It's a nice, natural, calming look. All the products that I've used in this tutorial today will be down in the description box below. The eyelashes, you can shop at DYSTYLEZ.com. Also will be in the description box below. Any new creative content that you suggest that I do, please also leave a comment down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.